Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline within this game so that other players cannot invite you to their matches. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you can log in using your social accounts or your Call of Duty account, and you will be taken into the homepage or your main menu. From here, in order to set your status to offline, simply tap on your profile name at the top left corner. Then just tap on Basic at the left side, and now you will see your current status alongside your username. If it is set to online, then all of your friends will be able to see your online status, and they can invite you to various matches. In order to change this status to offline, just click on the drop-down menu, and you may choose the DND or the invisible option. After choosing your desired option, it will be applied to your profile right away. If you choose DND, which means do not disturb, you will not be able to receive any invites from your friends. Just choose whichever option you wish, and then you can go back to your homepage and enjoy your private match right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear offline within the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.